How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital wedding guest books on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you a lot when it comes to confirming if this is a winning product or not. And also it's going to help you in the future when you are looking for other winning products, and it will also help you when you find your competitors and you want to spy on them, see what are the products that are making them the most amount of money and what are the products that are only a waste of time and effort. And in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create these type of products without taking so long, just by taking what's already been created, then adding your touch, change colors, change headlines, then you will have your own product to sell on Etsy. So here, let's start with the first step, which is seeing some examples of this product. So here, let's wait for it to load in order to see some examples. Here you will see that the first line is only filled with the ones that are sponsored by Etsy, by the sellers. As you can see, ad by Etsy seller. This one as well is ad by Etsy seller. So all of these are sponsored. We want to see the ones that are originally in the first line. So here, let's wait for it to load. Like this one here, for example, photo guest book sign, personalized wedding. Same thing with this one. I think I'm going to, let's check. Here we have wedding planning spreadsheet. Let's click on wait. Let's choose Etsy's pick, or we can just choose this one here. Let's choose this one here, for example. And while we wait for it to load, I'm going to talk about the differences between digital products and physical products, and why, in my opinion, I prefer digital products. So guys, in physical products, you will have to deal with a lot of problems, starting with returns, refunds, shipping time, finding a company that is going to source your product from wherever you want it to be sourced from, and also store it in the storage of that product in whenever you want it to be stored in, and also packaging the product, and all sort of problems. But when it comes to digital products, there are no refunds, no returns, and also you will have to create this product once in your life and then list it on Etsy, and it will always be here. Whenever someone buys it, you will always get the money, and you won't have to worry about running out of stock or returns or refunds. That's why I prefer digital products. So here, let's move on to the spying tool, which is Everbee, which is the spying tool I mentioned before. It's the one that is going to give us the last decision if we are going to work on this product or not. So here, let's click on sign up for free, and let's get the name of this shop. We're going to spy on this shop, see the products that they have, the ones that are working and the ones that are not working. And also we are going to see this particular product, if it's really making the money or not. So we're going to find out a lot about this shop and this product in particular. So here in this spying tool, you'll have a lot of tools to use, starting with the product analytics. Here you will be able to find a lot of winning products. Then comes the shop analyzer. It's where we are going to drop the shop's name in order to see all of the insights about the shop. And here we have the keyword research, favorites, listings, and Etsy calculator. I'm going to explain those sometime in another video. So here, let's start with the shop analyzer in this video. That's the tool we are going to use. And here, let's give it a few seconds to load, and go to the search shop, drop the name of the shop, and click on search. Give it a few seconds to gather the data and the analytics. then we will be able to find out if this is a winning or not. So here, this is the product, I guess, photo guest box sign, $5. Let's see, it's $5 originally. So that's the product. And here, by going to the shop age, you will see when did this shop was created. It was created 65 months ago. And here, these are the total shop sales. They made well over 330,000 and 109 sales, which is a lot of money to be making. If you can just multiply this number by 3, 4, or $5, and then you will see how much money these people are really making from digital products only. So here, let's go to this product to see the insights and the data to see if it's really a winning or not. So here, it was listed 23 months ago, and even though we can't see the sales or the monthly revenue or the monthly sales, but we will be able to see the reviews, and based on the reviews you will be able to guess the amount of sales that they are making, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So we will just do the math. The reviews times 2 give us the number of sales. So here, 394 reviews times 2 will give us around, it's approximately 400, so it will give us around 800 sales in total of 23 months. And here, these are the reviews per month, and 17 times 2 will give us 34, I guess, yeah, 34 sales per month, which is a lot of money if you multiply it by $5. So this is a winning product that is worth our time. So let's close this and let's head straight to canva.com to show you how you can create a product like that very easily without even starting to creating it from scratch. So here, let's give it a few seconds to load, and we will just type the name of this product in the search, and we will be able to take templates that were already made, and we will just add our touch, change some colors, change the headline, change the fonts, and you'll have your own product to sell on Etsy. So here I'm going to show you some examples of these templates, like this one in here, for example, this one as well. So you have a lot of templates to choose from, and you can just be a little bit creative to change the design, and you'll have your own product. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.